Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Nikolay Anatolievich Legky and Dmitry Fingerov. This is a rapid game from Efim Memorial Tournament, played in Ukraine in 2005. Time control was 20 minutes per player. Legky started with d4. Fingerov played d5, bishop to f4, knight to f6, e3, c5, c3. This is the London system. e6, knight to d2, bishop to d6, bishop to g3, knight to c6, all the standard moves. Knight from g to f3, black to move. Queen to e7 was played. Castling is the most played move. Queen to e7, bishop to d3, and now play with black pieces castled kingside. Quite often black plays e5 in this position. And after d takes on e5, this is just one line. Knight takes on e5, knight takes on e5, bishop takes, queen takes, bishop to b5 check, bishop to d7. The game may continue like this. Bishop takes on d7, knight takes on d7, and then maybe knight to f3. Play with black pieces. Wanted to castle first, but now knight to e5, preventing e5. Knight to d7, f4, attacking the knight. Knight takes on c6, b takes on c6, and Legky castled kingside too. e5, f takes on e5, f takes on e5. Queen to h5, intending queen takes pawn on h7. Checkmate. Defending and attacking, queen to h4. Bishop to d7. Perhaps e4 should have been considered, or c4, and after bishop to c2, e4. Black seems to be okay. Bishop to d7, developing the bishop and connecting rooks. But missing an important tactic. d takes on e5 was played. Bishop takes on e5. Player with black pieces was happy because he considered this continuation to be good for him. Bishop takes on e5, queen takes on e5, and black has a pressure on the pawn on e3. Black is standing slightly better, so this is what player with black pieces was hoping for. But in this position, there was a big surprise. Anyway, what would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find this move? Bishop takes on h7 check. King to h8 was played. If knight takes on h7, then the queen takes queen. So king to h8, bishop to g6, check from queen. King to g8, bishop takes bishop on e5. e4 would be a better move, getting rid of the weak pawn. Bishop takes on e5. Queen takes on e5. Rook from a to e1. Bishop to e8. Knight to f3. Queen to d6. Bishop to d3. Bishop to c2 is even more precise. Bishop to h5. Knight to g5. c4. Bishop to f5. Rook from f to e8. Bishop to c2. Rook to e5. White to move. What would you do? Knight to f3. White is slightly better with no risk. Another more risky move, which can also work, is g4. But there was a big surprise. This move is the biggest surprise, not only in this game, but in the whole tournament. Please pause. Please pause and try to find the crazy move that was played in this position. What did you find? Okay, player with white pieces played. No joking. Queen takes on h5. Can you now see what will happen? Knight takes on h5, bishop to h7 check, king must go to h8, knight to f7 check, king takes on h7, knight takes on d6. The dust has settled and white is a pawn up, but still has a weak pawn on e3. Knight to f6, knight to f7 attacking the rook, rook to e7, knight to g5 check, king to g6, knight to f3, knight to g4, knight to d4. This would be a nice outpost for the knight if black didn't have this move. c5, knight to f5, rook to e5, knight to h4 check, king to h7, rook to f5, rook takes on e3, rook from f to e1, rook to d8, rook to h5 check, king to g8. How would you continue now? Legky played knight to g6, threatening a checkmate. Knight to h6, rook to d1, d4, rook takes on c5, d3, rook takes on c4, rook to e2, rook to d4, and the rooks were exchanged. Rook takes on b2, rook takes on d3, rook takes on e2, h3 preventing knight to g4 and making the room for the king. King to f7, knight to e5 check, king to e6, knight to f3. This knight cost player with the black pieces lots of time. And now watch this. Player with the black pieces made this move and lost the game. Had he moved his king a bit faster, he would have one more second left to play. But he lost some time. He was a good fighter though. What a great fight it was. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.